but honestly, I had not seen it. I'm sure a lot of you have not seen it yet either. We're only at October 18th today. So Tara has brought us something that we can use in so many different ways, not just with our Temp-tations, but all kinds of ways. Here's what you get. You get the Lazy Susan. It's not just one of those props that we threw everything on. You get the Lazy Susan, which, by the way, I believe is bamboo. Then you also get the sugar bowl and the creamer right here. We've got other things in there right now. You get the salt and the pepper. The salt will have 3 holes, the pepper 2. And then a nice big 1.5 quart pitcher. And we're going to have a couple of different things to choose from. So let's take a look at all of these different patterns. Certainly we know this is the old world pattern. This is the floral lace pattern. So let's just go through colors. Let's start right up here with the old world. So we start, it's the black and then the gray. Here is the taupe. That's the confetti. Here's green, blue, and red. And then we'll jump down to the floral lace, and that we have red, we have the cobalt blue, here is the green, there is the gray, here's the taupe, and then this is the black right there. Now, I want to toss it to you, Tara, to do those other ones, because sure. Yeah, the Woodlands, I mean, honey, when we had that Today's Special Value, that was gone in like a jiffy.
That's what I was just going to say. If you picked up our Today's Special Value, this pattern may be new to a lot of you, but this is what we call our Woodland. You have the taupe right there in front of you.
Yeah, this is
that
the
actually taupe. Has the grain of the wood with the knots carved into the side of the stoneware. Wow. And then the color is saturated around it. And what's beautiful about that is you have those glass glazes that we use that bring that pattern to life. Yeah. So you have the taupe and the gray. There's also the white. So if you're someone who wants to match back with maybe something you've already collected, you'll see that in a moment, Mary Beth, behind you.
Oh,
in
yes,
front
here
of you
it
there.
Is. Here it is, honey.
Yeah.
I'll just pop that right down there.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Yes.
There's the white story. So again, super earthy, beautiful tones, very farmhouse chic. And then polka dot. Yeah. You've been loving our polka dots, whether it be in our mugs, whether it be in all the other pieces that we've been sharing, but this in our taupe and our gray was one of the first to sell out during our Today's Special Value as well, so you could add this to your collection.
So tell me your whole story kind of behind this, because first of all, I love Lazy Susans of all kinds.
Me too.
Because I just love to be able to have them like this. But I was so curious about your ideas with this one.
Well, it's like a completer set to me, right? But it's an elegant, updated completer set in the fact that it's on a Lazy Susan. You were correct, it is bamboo. So it's a nice, beautiful hard wood. I love the fact that you have that easy, super easy turnstile there. But then the pieces get layered on, and they're not your throwaway pieces. They're the pieces you want to use day in and day out, from that beautiful 1.5 quart pitcher, your sugar and your creamer. We actually are doing like a little sangria here, so I don't have the lid here, but there's also a bamboo lid. And then your salt and pepper shaker. The key pieces that I think if you left in the center of your table, the family would use. Yeah. That pitcher could also double, of course, as a beautiful vase. So now you have a gorgeous centerpiece there where maybe you have the flowers and you can nestle everything. So these pieces can be used together on the Lazy Susan, or use them separately and use the Lazy Susan for something else. And I love it.
I like that you, on the lid of the sugar jar, you actually put that little silicone right there. So if you have sugar in there or anything you want to keep fresh or longer, it has it so it really sits nice and snug right there. So that's excellent. Here, let's just take a quick peek over here. This may be part of your Thanksgiving dinner. We've got gravy in this particular creamer, and in here we have cranberry sauce in that sugar bowl, so you can use it that way too. Also, I want to just mention, here's how easy it is to fill the salt and pepper. It's just that little silicone plug like you typically see in a lot of places. So here's the thing, I want to go back to colors because this would be an amazing gift. Who in your family collects Temp-tations or uses Temp-tations, and you want to give them something that you know they don't have? Well, I can tell you, this was brand new just a couple weeks ago. It's our only order of the year, and the first set in all the years that we've done. Here is your Woodlands. So the white, the gray, and the taupe. And this is very, very popular. If you want it in the white, fewer than 300 sets. And remember, you'd get all those pieces in the white. Here's the polka dot. We've got the taupe and the gray. Then we'll go to our floral lace. Here's the floral lace in the red. There it is in blue, green, gray right there. Very popular. Remember in those side pieces that we had earlier? That was the first color to go. Here is the taupe, and this is the black. And then in Old World, right up here, we have the black, the gray, then to the taupe. These are new colors, you know, over the last couple of months. Here's confetti. Here's the green. The confetti has all the different colors in it. The green, the blue, and the red. And what are you going to get? Show us one last time. What do we get with this set?
Sure. And I did want to just mention, if you are looking for the dinnerware, we have Woodland dinnerware online in all of those colors, so you can check it out.
Wonderful.
We have polka dot that you're going to see in this show.
Yeah.
So if you're thinking like, why do I want this completer set? I don't have the dinnerware yet. Oh, stay tuned. It's one of the new that we have. So you're going to get that beautiful bamboo Lazy Susan, 1.5 quart pitcher with that oversized, Lisa's laughing at me, with that oversized handle. Then, of course, your sugar shell that comes with a lid, that beautiful creamer, and your salt and pepper, everything you would need for an updated completer set that could sit right in the center of your table.
Love it, love it. Just very recently new. Here's another set that I just want to mention because I have your